happy people, hope you guys doing great. Alright, today another travel log, okay? So we're gonna go to Pilanesberg National Park. It's very near to Johannesburg. So we live in Joburg, and it's very near. It's around 150 kilometers, and the park itself is around 550 square kilometers. As you can see right side, I'm already near Pilanesberg. So this whole thing is a national park. So planning on to see all the big fights, especially the leopard. It's been quite a while I haven't sighted the leopards. Leopards, they are very sneaky. They don't come around anywhere like on the driveways, so inside the national park. But my aim today is to see a leopard. Hope you guys enjoy, and thank you very much. Stay tuned, guys. There are quite few entrances, but the recommendation was Bakubang. So Bakubang entrance is the nearest one for the people who are coming from Johannesburg. So this is what we're going to be using today. There you go. This is the Bakubang gate. There's the elephant.